Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Frigidaire Dishwasher. If you want to fix your problem, then you will need to follow some steps. If you want to reset your dishwasher, then you have few options. The first option is to press the cancel button on your dishwasher. As you can see, the start and cancel button, which is appear on the dashboard of your Frigidaire dishwasher. Here you will see the start and the cancel button on your dishwasher. So simply press the cancel button, this button, for about 5 to 6 times. And the second option is to turn off the power. For that, simply turn off the dishwasher using the off button or switch off the power at the circuit breaker. And for more thorough reset, unplug the dishwasher from the electrical outlet and leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.